Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to text effectively. First, let's talk about emojis. Emojis are fantastic for adding personality and emotion to your texts. Think about using a range of them, like a happy face, a heart, or even a sparkle. They can really soften a direct statement and make your messages feel much more engaging and friendly. It's about expressing yourself beyond just words. Next, consider the length and detail of your messages. Aim for more than just 1 or 2 words. Longer texts show genuine interest. Try to include specific details about your day or thoughts, and always ask open-ended questions. This encourages a real conversation rather than a quick exchange. Sharing small personal anecdotes also helps build a stronger connection and rapport. Now, let's focus on punctuation and grammar. Using proper punctuation, like commas, periods, and exclamation points, makes your texts much easier to read. Try to avoid typing in all capital letters, as this can come across as shouting or aggressive. Good grammar and correct spelling show that you've put thought into your message, making your communication clear and polished. Finally, let's discuss responsiveness and tone. Aim to respond within a reasonable time frame, perhaps within a few hours, to show you're engaged. Always maintain a warm, friendly, and enthusiastic tone in your messages. This keeps the conversation light and enjoyable. Try to avoid giving just one-word answers, as they can quickly halt the flow of a good chat. Keep it flowing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.